Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a kindergarten through 8th grade art educator in California. So I'd like to share with you a really fun project on how to create a radial symmetry design using a piece of styrofoam, whether you buy it as printmaking foam or repurpose a meat tray or a takeaway tray, using a pen, acrylic paints, some watercolor paints, and a piece of paper. You too can create a beautiful piece of radial symmetry art. So I hope you enjoy. With this printmaking project, I'm going to be creating what's called a radial design. So I'm going to begin by using a square piece of paper and adding just a simple colorful background on it. And I'm going to be working in the round. And you can use crayons, colored pencils, oil pastels, or paints for this. I'm choosing to use watercolors because I find that they're really beautiful against the black ink that I'm going to be using to print with. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a circular pattern filling up the entire piece of paper. And then when this is finished, what I'm going to do is get my printing block ready. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some beautiful colors that work well together, so when they bleed together they look beautiful and create a lovely look to them. And then we will be layering using a foam stamp. While my paper is drying, what I've gone and done is taken a foam printmaking sheet and cut it into a square. So this is now a 4" by 4" square, because what I'm going to be doing is making a radial symmetry design. So what I want to do is just draw a quarter of whatever my pattern is going to be onto my foam using a pen. It's easiest to use as a pen. Now, if you don't have access to printmaking foam, you can easily use a meat tray, a styrofoam meat tray that you've washed and cleaned out, and you just cut out the size you need. And you can also use to-go boxes, the foam to-go boxes. So that's a nice way to repurpose something that you're just going to end up throwing away. You can create a piece of art with it and use it over and over until it literally falls apart. Okay, so what I'm going to do, like I said, is I'm going to create a design that is going to turn into a radial symmetry design. So I'm going to be thinking of working from the corner. This will be the center, and it's going to come out. And you can really work with any type of shape that you want. The key to this is to make sure that your lines are nice and smooth. right, so once my painting is dry, I can move on to the next step. So with the stamping, I want to make sure that I'm going to use the same corner to be in the center. Carefully place that. So with the plate down, I'm going to carefully place another piece of paper on top and give it a really good rub. Okay, so what I'm noticing is I didn't put enough paint on, but that's okay. This is why we'll often do a test print first. And sometimes people like the faded look. So it really is about what you prefer. And then with acrylic paint, you do have to move fairly quickly because it dries really fast. Okay, so again, I'm checking to make sure this part is in the corner so that I'm creating that radial symmetry design. Going to carefully place it on the paper, put another sheet down on top, and rub. Oops. Okay, so we can see that we're moving in the round. So I'm going to get ready to do the next print. Now with this project piece with the foam print plate, even after I'm finished with this project, I can wipe it clean under some running water with a little bit of soap, and it can be reused again another day and with another project. Again, I'm making sure that corner piece is in the center. And there we have it, a beautiful radial symmetry print. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe so that you can stay up to date with our latest video offerings.